Alright guys, let's make some Jamaican jerk shrimp. So before I just boiled some rice and boiled some shrimp. Okay, these are just boiled shrimp. You're gonna need Jamaican jerk spice, which is a mix of a lot of spices. Does it say? What is it? Sea salt, spices, garlic, oh, well, I guess it's, I have to look online how exactly they make this, but they won't tell here, they just say spices. What the hell? Alright, so lime, some parsley, let's do it. So I'm gonna heat up a pan. I wanna get some coconut oil with this. Let me heat up the spoon a little bit so it's easier to scoop. And actually, in the meantime, let me get some garlic. Okay, 1, 2. I think 3 will be good. All right. We peel this garlic. Alright, I'm just gonna peel these garlic cloves. Give me 1 second. Alright, 1. 2. 2. Okay. Then third one. Let's see if it 40% of the video is me peeling garlic. No, because this is fairly simple. The shrimp are already cooked, so I don't need to let them go for too long. I just want to blend in the spices and the flavors together, you know. All right. I'm gonna flatten them a little bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna get some coconut oil, or you can use olive oil, or you can use butter. I just think they'll go really well with coconut oil. Okay. I'll put this coconut oil here. See, if the spoon was very hot, then the coconut oil would like come out very easily. That's why I wanted to heat it up. Okay. Now, garlic. I don't know if I should put the spice before then in or after. I'll put it after. I don't know, let me know in the comments what do you do usually when making shrimp. Okay, we'll let the oil now is getting all the beautiful flavor of garlic. Okay, see if the video is running. Okay, I don't have the hair in front of the camera. Okay, good. Alright, so the garlic is starting to go to sizzle. That's it. I'm just gonna add my shrimps. Should have made more. And chop some, oops, chop some parsley. But I'll do it all. This is for later. All right. Okay. It's going. I'm gonna have it jump a little bit, get all the flavorful oil, and now I'm going to add the spices. All right. Beautiful smell coming out. All right, that's it. Some salt too. And I'm gonna juice half a lime. Parsley, just have a little bit more. Alright, we're gonna juice this juice this lime. Alright. Now we're gonna put it. Raise the heat for a second so that the lime juice evaporates. Wow. Okay. Perfect. Now to serve. I'll just throw this away. To serve, I'm gonna get a big plate, flat one, and I'm going to, yeah, let's do it fancy because we're on YouTube. Oops, we're gonna oil up this cup. See if I can get to, if I can make little houses, or it might not come down. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it works. But the best thing is to use a I think something in between the little cup. This is clearly done. Something between the cup and the rice, like oven paper. How's it called? Parchment paper, for example. Oh. Okay. Epic fail. Oh, probably because I didn't put oil, see, it got stuck. Anyways, guys, I had good intentions, but let's see. With the shrimp. To put more rice for sure. I'll just I'll just put it like this. Okay. So like that. Now, special guest. Obviously, it's not just gonna be rice and thing. I have the pico de gallo sauce that I made. That I made on another video. Made this yesterday, and so I just don't upload every video. I just mix them up and upload them randomly. So, but look around. I'm gonna make sure that it's there. Make sure you see how I made this pico de gallo. It's really easy. It's so easy. It's just like a few ingredients combined together. Super easy. Okay, there you go. And so we take the pico de gallo sauce and we enjoy it. Okay, we'll put on the tomatoes. We're gonna eat it with the shrimp. We can put it on the side. But this is very fresh, very Caribbean. It will complement these, and then the parsley on the shrimp. I'll put it here for later. And that's it. Woo, what a messy plate. It's all on the right. It's all on the left and nothing there, but it's okay. I'm gonna wash my hands. Actually, you know what's missing in there? I know what's missing. A little salad or something healthy. Voila. A little bit of salad. Obviously I'm going to make sure it's seasoned and everything. Okay, now it's more, plate is a little bit more complete and more healthy, right? We just win-win situation. Okay, let's take a little bit of this cucumber. Okay, I'm just improvising right now on the side salad, honestly. I think I have some corn. Some corn will go really nice in here. Okay, and cut a little bit more of the cucumber. All right. Cucumber. Cucumber. Alright. Yes, no, yes, yes. Do have a little bit of corn. That's perfect. Oh guys, just saved the plate. Alright. I won't put too much. I'll put it back in a second. The salad, to finish off the salad, I'm just going to put some pepper, sea salt. That's the cooking olive oil. This is the good olive oil. And enjoy the salad. And instead of vinegar, because if I put vinegar it's too liquid, I'm just gonna put some glaze. Perfect, I love the glaze. Very good. This is gonna give you like a balsamic vinegar-y flavor. Pico de gallo, amazing. So simple, guys. It's just like 4 ingredients raw, chopped and put together. It was like a short, super short video. More shrimps in here. Whoa, 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 whoa. This thing is full of oil, so as soon as I grab this, slipped. Let's put some more shrimp. Alright. Let's put it on. Big plate. No, I shouldn't use the metal on this thing, but come on, 2 seconds. Alright. So I'll be washing it later. Now, it's time to take a bite. 17 minutes. That's good. Okay. Wash my hands because it's full of oil. For some reason, I'm still leaving that stupid spoon. Okay. Perfect. Alright, 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 alright. I'm so excited. Very simple, healthy plate. We get a shrimp first. Looks like it's seasoned all the way. All the spice, all the spices are coming out. Come out, and they just like, wow, amazing. And now the complete bite. Wow. Freshness of the pico de gallo, rice, and the shrimps, so perfect. So I'm gonna mix it up. Guys, this plate is so good. So fun to eat. Bit of here, bit of there. And the shrimps are the absolute main character. Wow. Good stuff. Hope I'm not too noisy when I eat, but hey, I'm enjoying it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time in Fede's Kitchen. Bang.